Good afternoon. Today we came to Akihabara, which is a district just for gaming, arcades, anything to do with games and DVDs, manga.
Anime, everything, you can find it here.
Yeah, and what's behind us? Wanna try and get one?
Yeah. Wish me luck.
Go! No! Okay, she's going for the second time now. Oh well, unlucky. Look at this speed!
What is going on? Those guys are proper ninjas.
They were proper quick. Imagine them slapping someone. Ta 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 ta. You never.
Time to react.
Yeah, you'll never see it coming.
And this just happened. What is going on?
This is some kind of Tekken, but a different game. It's called Final Showdown. Let's kick some ass. I'll take this ninja. Let's go. Can't believe I lost, and what a beating I took.
It's gonna leave a message on the wall of messages.
What are you gonna write down? Show us what you wrote down. Portugal 2018. It's a sumo fighter. Samurai swords. Oh, look at these. So me and Christian are just about to try a kimono for the first time. If you are from the 90s as we are, you probably remember these consoles. PS1, PS2, Dreamcast, and Nintendo 64, and Nintendo GameCube. This used to be our world in the 90s.
Yeah, I miss the 90s.
So we've just been told there's a shop that's got some robots and some drones. So we go over there and check it out. It's going to be our last stop. We've been to most of the shops. Christiana's just tired, I'm tired. So we're going to head now over there. See
And look what's behind us. This is madness. I'm not sure what this is.
Toys everywhere. Just fantasy world. And we found the shop with robots. Look at them. This looks like a giant spider. You've got transformers over here, another spider, some kind of giraffe, I think. Dinosaur. What is this? Ah, that's the spider robot. Imagine seeing one of these crawling under your bed. More robots. Christiana, she's afraid of spiders. Christiana, come here. I want to show you something. It's the robot spider. What does this look like?
Spider.
Like a spider.
Like it.
Look, watch. Look at him stretching. Yes, we just found the garage like Tokyo Drift.
He goes like this.
Yes.
Just exactly like the same of Tokyo Drift. Like the film of Tokyo Drift. Tokyo Drift, the movie.
Oh.
Please do it. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly like the film. I can't believe. Look at this. Oh. Exactly like the film. Yeah. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. We are from
Portugal.
Oh, Portugal.
Yeah. Bye bye. Arigato. Okay, it's enough for now. We're about to take the underground back home. It's still a long way to it. It's about an hour and a half transport. So we'll see you guys over there. Rush hour in Japan. Hey, alright. Arigato. Look at that. Oh. So we're gonna finish the video over here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.
Bow, bow.